Are you feeling drained, spiritually stuck, or in need of a fresh start? Maybe you've been praying for direction, breakthrough, or a way to rebuild your faith. This is your sign. The Nehemiah Challenge is here, and for 13 days, we're going on a powerful journey to rebuild, restore, and renew every area of our lives where God is calling us deeper. This is not just another devotional. This is an activation of your faith. Each day you'll get at least 4 things: a powerful scripture-based devotional, reflection questions to help you go deeper, a faith-building action step, and finally, a focused prayer to keep you connected to God. We're going to break cycles, build spiritual disciplines, and see real transformation. This is for you if you're tired of feeling spiritually stuck. You want to hear God clearly and know your purpose, and you're ready to take action and build a strong, unshakable faith. If you've been waiting for a reset, this is it. Here's what you need to do next. Click the link below and sign up now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. Tag a friend in the comments. Challenges are better together. Don't wait. Your journey to spiritual renewal starts now.